In this video, I will show you how to configure and use the Video on Demand feature. With Video on Demand, you can replace your current TV display content with videos from a predefined list. Before we start, make sure that you have installed the WaitApp Remote on your mobile phone. You can search for it in your App Store or just go to waitapp.com and use the link on the home page. Let's get started. To make sure that Videos on Demand will run, double-click anywhere on the panel. Panel properties will pop up. Select the directory where videos on demand you want to show are stored. Make sure that the device name alias is not empty. Enable web services if they are disabled. If web services were not enabled, you have to reboot the computer for your mobile device to recognize the device. Please note, if there are multiple panels on one device, only one panel should have web services enabled. Open the WaitApp Remote on your mobile device. Make sure that you are on the same network as the device you want to run video on demand on. After device reboot, device alias will appear on the list. For multiple devices with enabled remote services, all devices will be listed. Select alias of the device you want to show videos on. Find the video you want to run, tap it. Current content on the TV will be replaced with your selected video. Tap Close button and regular configuration will be restored. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.